So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Introduction to Internet of Things, Week 5 Assignment 5. So the first question is, what does the term interoperability refer to in the context of IoT? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, what is interoperability? Interoperability is a characteristics of a product or system whose interfaces are completely understood to work with other products or systems, present or future, in either implementation or access, without any restrictions, communicate meaningfully, exchange data or services. So the answer of our first question is B. And now let's go to our question number 2. In the collaborative concept cosine theory for interoperability, an object is defined as a quadruple A, B, C, D. What does C represent? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, you can see cosine of a object A, B, C, D, where A is a cosine internal identifier, B is a natural language, C is the context of A. So the answer of our second question is C, the context of A. And now let's go to our question number 3. Which of the following best describes the syntactic interoperability challenge? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, the interoperability between devices and device user in terms of message formats. The message format from a device to a user is understandable for the user's computer. So the answer of our third question is B. And now let's go to our question number 4. Which of the following is a primary reason for the popularity of Arduino in IoT implementation? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, features of Arduino: open source based electronic programmable board, microcontroller and software. No extra hardware required to load a program into the controller board. So the answer of our fourth question is B. And now let's go to our question number 5. What is the clock speed of the Arduino Uno board? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, Arduino Uno clock speed 16 megahertz. So the answer of our fifth question is C. And now let's go to our question number 6. Which function is used to iteratively loop over instances in an Arduino sketch? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, you can see loop function, as the name suggests, iterates the specified task in the program. So the answer of our sixth question is C. And now let's go to our question number 7. In Arduino, what is the default starting index for an array? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, arrays, the conventional starting index is 0. So the answer of our seventh question is C. And now let's go to our question number 8. What does the delay 5000 command do in a traffic signal simulation? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, delay for 5 seconds. So the answer of our eighth question is B. Introduce a delay of 5 seconds. And now let's go to our question number 9. Which header file must be called to use mathematical function like sine or cos? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, to apply the math functions and mathematical constant, math.h header file is needed to be include cos, sine. So the answer of our ninth question is B. And now let's go to our question number 10. The DHT22 sensor is used for measuring which physical quantities? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says Arduino supports a special library for the DHT11 and DHT22 sensors, provides function to read the temperature and humidity values from the data pin. So the answer of our 10th question is C. And now let's go to our question number 11. What is the recommended voltage range for the VCC pin of a DHT sensor to avoid damage? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, sensor interface with Arduino digital humidity and temperature sensor DHT pin 1 to 3.3 volt 5 volt power supply. So the answer of our 11th question is B, 3.3 volt to 5 volt. And now let's go to our question number 12. When integrating a typical digital temperature and humidity sensor like the DHT series with an Arduino board, which Arduino pin connection is used to receive the sensor's data? So these are the option, and the answer of our 12th question is B, signal data pin. And now let's go to our question number 13. Which of the following describes the primary function of an actuator? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, actuators converts energy into motion. So the answer of our 13th question is B, converts energy or signals into motion. And now let's go to our question number 14. When using the servo library in Arduino, which function is used to specify the pin where the servo is connected? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, create an instance of servo. The instance must be attached to the pin before being used in the code. So the answer of our 14th question is B, servo.attach. And now let's go to our question number 15. In the context of the Arduino servo library, which of the following is the correct function to command the servo motor to rotate to a specific angle? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, right function takes the degree value and rotates the motor accordingly. So the answer of our 15th question is C, servo.right. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.